Hi guys! Welcome to the second episode of Seth Stuff. My name is Seth. At sa lahat ng mga nakapag-subscribe na sa video channel ko, thank you very much. At sa mga hindi pa, please mag-subscribe na kayo because here in my channel, I'm flexing stuff that I really like and truly proud of. So just like for example, in my previous video, I flexed my Benelli Panerea S125. And now in this video, we'll be showcasing our Vespa Sprint Racing 60s 150. So stay put. So it took us about 3 months of waiting from 4 Vespa dealers to bring home a Vespa. Birthday gift ko siya sa partner ko since my partner was planning to buy for himself a cell phone worth around 70,000 pesos. Sabi ko, magmotor ka na lang. Mas mapapakinabangan mo pa yan ngayong pandemic. Nagdagan ko na lang budget mo para makabili ka ng motor. But gusto niya di lang basta-basta motor, kundi Vespa. Ayun, napasubo ako. But it's all worth it. Vespa for me is a good investment. What we really wanted to get was a white Vespa Sprint Racing 60s. But 3 months na kaming nakapila sa iba't ibang Vespa dealers at di pa rin pa kami mabigyan ng Racing 60s. So we decided to take the white Vespa Sprint instead at Vespa Imus branch. Miss Mina of Vespa Imus suggested na bihisan na lang namin siya ng Racing 60s since Vespa Imus had an original Vespa Racing 60s dress kit by the time. So that's what we did. We bought the Racing 60s kit, which includes the horn cast and all the decals. Then, voila! Our white Vespa Sprint was transformed into a stunning Vespa Racing 60s. Well, some purists may frown upon our Racing 60s because it did not have the gold rims and the black side mirrors and linings. But we prefer to stick to the chrome side mirrors and chrome linings and the black rims instead. Kasi bagay din naman at mas nagmumukhang classic siyang tignan. Diba? So just to reiterate, like in my previous videos, I am not gonna discuss here the specifications of this scooter. There are a lot of other videos here in YouTube that do that. Here, I'm just showing you what transformation we did in our Vespa. Pero sige, flash ko na rin dito quickly ang specs ng Vespa Sprint 150. So the Vespa Sprint 150cc also comes with front ABS and USB charging port, LED taillights, LED headlights, and LED indicator light. Oh, by the way, we bought a TSM bag na sobrang bumagay kay Vespi. Yes, Vespi is her name. Hehe.
So what I like about my Vespa is yung uniqueness ng design niya na alam natin na iilan lang yung meron. And also yung color white, which is my preference. So I choose white kasi nga napakasarap niyang bihisan, lagyan ng mga stickers, and last is siguro yung brand name niya. So we all know na kapag Vespa, no need na i-explain or ipakilala sa iba dahil alam nila yung quality ni Vespa.
Okay, sa akin naman, ang nagustuhan ko sa Vespa, particularly sa Sprint Racing 60s ni Mar is yung design niya, gaya na nasabi niya kasi every time na sabihin natin kung magpapagasolina ako, magpapahinto, yung talagang many times na talagang natanong ako ng gasoline boy o di kaya ng mga riders, co-riders na katabi ko, sasabihin, anong Vespa yan? Maganda. Yan. Very classy, very clean ang design. So, talagang 5 stars when it comes to its look. Parang yamanin. And then, I guess also yung mahal siya, pero matipid sa
Sa gas.
gas. So, mabilis din siya for 150cc. Very nimble. Yun. I think that's it.
Mabigat talaga siya. Lalo na siguro if may aangkas pa sa'yo. So dapat medyo matibay yung tuhod mo dahil yung bigat ni Vespa plus yung angkas mo medyo magdudusa ka.
Yun lang.
Yun lang po.
Okay, sige, to add to that, yeah, because newbie rider lang ako. Siya, ikaw, matagal ka na newbie ka rin ba? Ako this year lang eh. So talagang, yeah, medyo mabigat nga siya as compared sa mga scooters na nagpa-practicean ko when I was still studying how to ride and to get a driver's license. And medyo mataas din siya for me. Although hindi naman ako short height, like 5'8" with shoes. Pero yun nga, hindi nga ako sanay sa kanyang height. So hindi naman ako tiptoe, pero yun nga, siguro sanayan lang din. Kasi medyo mataas nga siya as compared to other scooters. Saka ano pa ba? Yung pressure. Mataas siya as compared to other scooters. Pero sulit naman, really worth it. Yun nga, sabi nga nila, you're not just paying for the scooter itself, but you're paying for the history, the culture, the lifestyle. You're not just riding a scooter, you're wearing a Vespa. So for this question, we have a guest speaker to answer that question. So
Hi.
Let me welcome our our baby boy, our
Hi guys!
big baby boy, Marius.
First time ko na mag-vlog kasama sa vlog. Okay, diba? Okay. Ngayon guys, pag umangkas ka sa Vespa, mahangin siya at masarap sa pakiramdam.
Go lang, usap ako lang.
Okay, tapos tsaka makomportable din umupo tsaka kasi may sandalan ko din sa likod para siyang ganito pero malambot. Tapos may apakan ka sa gilid. Diba sa mga ibang motor walang apakan? Eh may apakan ka. Tapos pag marinig mo yung makina, masarap pakinggan pag mabilis talaga. Masarap pakinggan.
Paano?
Yung gano'n. Gawin tapos minsan din pag traffic. Di ba, kung matraffic, mainit ka, titigil ka. Tapos mamaya, di ba, mapahinga kasi malamig. Pag umandar na, pag stop ka, maiinitan ka na ulit. Kahit di pa umaandar, ang lamig ka agad. Kahit di pa umaandar, kahit ganyan pa lang kabis, malamig na. Komportable din siya, maganda din siya upuan. Di ako nangangalay kasi masarap upuan siya eh. Tsaka di din, cut!
So I guess to wrap it up, we consider Vespi like a part of our family. Sarap mamasyal kasama ni Vespi. True, it gives us a certain lifestyle. I can't put it into words, but for those people stealing glances at us as we pass them by, I guess you'll know what I mean. And if you don't, go buy one. Buy a Vespa. You'll have to experience it to find out what I mean.
Hi guys. So what I like about my Vespa is aside from the design nung Vespa is
Tapos bumalik ka ulit sa design.
Kaya nga,
Yung sinabi mo pagtitingin ka ng tao, part yun sa design, hindi yun part ng speed.
ba't kasi ayaw mo na ikaw muna kaya?
Oo, kasi hindi naman ito na-practice.
Ikaw yung owner eh.
Kahit na hindi ko nga alam sasabihin ko, design.
Owner? Di ba pinakita ko na mo vlogs yung sa'yo, Benelli?
Yung ibang video na hindi na ito Benelli, tapos na si Benelli.
Siyempre, magtatak yung mga tao, tapos pinakita mo si Benelli,
Tapos si Benelli, ibang video na ito.
tapos taka ng mga tao sa kanya yun. Di mo pa naman pinapakita dun sa vlog
Sabi mo bakit unique? Pero ilan lang naman yung mga motor na ganun yung itsura.
Sabi lang kayo na.
Sige po.
Island hopping kayo.
Sige po, oo.
Dito lang ako, meron dito si ate.
Ano yung Island House?
Island hopping with snorkeling.